First, the operator should properly wear personal protective equipment. Before operation, conduct a thorough inspection around the equipment. Check the tires and fork for normal condition. Ensure there are no fault alarms on the handle. Inspect the equipment for any oil leaks. Ensure there are no obstacles around the equipment. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the ground control emergency stop. Set the key switch to the right position for ground control operation. Release the platform control emergency stop. After confirming that the screen displays no alarm information, operate the ground control toggle switch to raise and lower the equipment. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the ground control emergency stop. Set the key switch to the left position for platform control operation. Release the platform control emergency stop. After confirming that the screen displays no alarm information, select the movement mode. Press the enable button and push the joystick to move the equipment forward. Below are demonstrations of the two-speed modes of the equipment. When equipment malfunctions, correctly use emergency procedures. The maximum allowable gradient for equipment on a ramp is 25%, which corresponds to an angle of 14 degrees. The pothole protection equipment provides support when a tire sinks, preventing the equipment from tipping over. The anti-crushing function stops the fork frame from descending at a certain height to prevent injury to people or damage to equipment. The fork frame can only fully lower again after returning the control knob to the neutral position and reactivating the descent function. When transporting the equipment, ensure it is in the stored position. Use a forklift to lift from the forklift slots on both sides of the ladder. When loading and unloading the vehicle, handle the equipment gently. At least 4 chains should be used to secure the equipment to the transport vehicle.